This is day 193, and today we are looking at how to make shapes not move, especially graphs. So for example, here in my Excel document, you can see that I have a graph which is related to this data. But the task we need to do here is to only show the last 3 months and to hide everything. But the moment I hide everything, you can see my graph is looking funny here. So what I want to do is to make sure that when I hide my data, the graph still keeps on looking normal and covering this whole entire area, and it doesn't resize. So for me to be able to do that, I would select my graph and say format chart area. Then under formatting chart area, I go here where I work with size and properties. Then under size and properties, I choose what I want. So I can say I want it to move, but not to size with cells. What it means is if I insert cells here, it will be able to move with the cells, but it won't resize if my cells or my columns and rows resizes. Or I can say don't move or size with cells. That's the one which I want to choose here. So I say don't move or don't size with cells. Then I can just click elsewhere or close this. Then if I try to hide again, you can see I've hidden the data, but my chart is still looking the same. So my chart doesn't change. So that way I can be able to print only the last 3 months and also show the graph properly without having a funny graph look, which is a bit squashed to this end here. That's it, guys. If you have enjoyed my video, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications button so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.